VegasLoveBug playing Lightning Link Wild CHUCO. And I got the money bag, so I think it's free spins. And here we go. It's like, what time is it? It's almost 3 in the morning. Let's see if I get anything good. Oh, a bunch of wild CHUCOs. This could be a good one here. Wow. Oh, 9s. That's good. Okay, 4 more games. How are you doing this morning? Yeah, I got a long drive back from Laughlin. Oh, wild CHUCO again. Three games left. Maybe the coins will show up next time that it does that thing. We'll find out in a minute. I'm just gonna let it go. Nope. Nope. One more spin left. Come on. Come on, CHUCO. Come on. Last spin. And that's the end. I'll play it down to 10. See if anything happens. Oh, close. No cigar. Okay, guns. Good. Oh! I'll take it down to 15. Oh, CHUCO again. Good, thank you, CHUCO. Okay. Almost. Still trying to take it down to 15. Come on, CHUCO. Almost. Come on. Come on. Oh, Whopper. Oh, CHUCO is helping me make some money. You got the bank, the guns, the tens. Nice. I'll take it down to 25. Oh. Come on, CHUCO. I'm cashing out at 25. Come on. Come on, CHUCO. Almost. 2 more spins. Oh. 2 more spins. Okay, I am cashing out. While CHUCO did me good. You gotta come to the Pioneer Casino in Laughlin. This is the place to go. There it is. 25 out of 5. VegasLoveBug signing off.